here and welcome to my channel. So I never bought things online, so this is my very first item that I bought, and this is tada! Wireless telescopic controller. I bought this in Lazada, and this is the last item that I bought 2 days after I bought the first 2 items, but surprisingly this one came first. Unfortunately for that item 2 years ago, that was a DualShock gamepad. I mean, I didn't use it for quite some time, like 6 months, but it's okay. We have a new one here, right here. So this is a wireless telescopic controller, good for VR, for Windows PC, and with telescopic stand. This product is a new wireless controller which supports different Android PC games, compatible with Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Android TV box, and Android TV. This item is from IPega, made in China. Kudos to the delivery of this. How do you open this? I don't have my nails. I just recently cut it. I can't open it like this. So we'll use knife. There you go. That's it. That's it. There you go. Now it's open. The package is really nice. It is bubble wrap, and this is from Lazada. So we're going to open it. Wow! Look at this, guys. It's bigger than I imagined. It's really nice. Let's see. Let's get it out from the box. Wow! Cool, right? Let's see if my cell phone fits in. It is stretchable. You can stretch it. Oh my god, I didn't expect that. Wow, didn't expect that to be longer. But it's nice. We'll see if it... Oh my goodness. We'll see if it fits. It fits. Very nice. Very nice. Now, how do you lock this? Oh, okay, that's it. I think this gamepad is good for Android phones, or like this kind of phones, and tablets. I think a tablet can fit in this. And this one is a support. I don't know if it's charged, so I'll try to charge this one first before trying this. Okay, give me a second, right? What's inside here? So inside this one is its charger. Is this a charger? We'll see. Okay, there's a manual here, guys. If this one is blinking, so when you buy this one, you will have, of course, you will have the same manual.
Ayame, can I ask you something?
So right now, guys, the gamepad is already charged, and I already connected it with my phone. So let's try with using this with PPSSP Pay. When the device connected to your phone and not functioning, you should go to here. Wait. You should go to settings and controls and edit control mapping. I didn't have to configure the control mapping. It already has its functions already. So yeah, let's try a game. And which character am I going to use? I'm gonna use Paul Phoenix, just like the old one. Paul Phoenix it is. I lost. I guess it works on PPSSPP. If you guys want to play PUBG, Rules of Survival, you have to download something before that. Okay, let's pause for a while. So it says in the manual that if you want to play games online with your Android phone, you have to download Octopus driver for games like Rules of Survival, Mobile Legends, and PUBG. So that's it for now. We'll try another game. This game is called God of War, Ghost of Sparta. Before I end the video, guys, I would like to say that this item that I bought in Lazada is very satisfying. It is delivered before the expected date, and it can be used and it can be connected with your Android and PC. Well, I'm going to try use this on my laptop, and I'm going to tell you the result in the description, so check the description, guys. If you're going to ask me about the price, well, the price that I paid for this item in Lazada is in the amount of 863 pesos. I know it's expensive, but it is worth it. And based on my experience, guys, if you want to buy things online, you have to chat the seller. You have to ask questions if it is legit or not. Don't be like me, guys. I bought this item without even chatting the seller. Fortunately, he is or she is very true to his words or her words. Well, that's it for now, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video this time. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.
Yes! We did it!
I have all three of you on Team A as having passed the written exam. Guess that means you're in.
Yay! I was so worried about the field exam, but we did it! It's because you guys helped push me along.
No worries. The field exam was the only part I wasn't worried about.
Next is the aptitude screening, you two. Try not to dawdle.
What aptitude are they screening? Nah, guess we'll find out soon enough.
We're ready to screen you. Step through the gate, please.
What is it? That blue glow is Ragnite, right? What does this thing tell you? I don't get it.
I did it, Yvonne! I got placed as an engineer!
Is that what you wanted?
Yeah! I want to be a doctor someday.
Wow, that's pretty impressive. What did you get, Zeri?
I placed as a shock trooper. And you?
I'm not really sure. They told me I could be any unit class I wanted.
Oh, does that mean you have an aptitude for all of them? That's amazing!
That, or an equal lack of aptitude for any of them.
You jerk! You gonna be like this all the time?
Don't you two start again. We all just made it in. Let's try to get along.
Yeah, I guess you're right. We're in this together now, guys.
Woohoo!
I came here with a purpose. And I'll tell you now, it isn't to pal around with clowns like you. I'm going to the headmaster's office now for my class placement.
What's that kid's problem? Thinks he's so special because he's got glasses.
I kind of doubt it's because of his glasses. Ooh, but I should head off now too. I'll see you later, Yvonne.
All right, next stop, the headmaster's office. Maybe I can get some info about Leon out of him while I'm there. It's worth a try, at least.